We've got our hands on the Asiga MAX 2 and the accessories. Same compact footprint as the Asiga MAX, but with several upgrades in usability, control, and chairside options. Let's dive in and take a closer look together. The next generation of the Asiga MAX series, the MAX 2 is offered in two resolutions, 50 micron and 62 micron variants. Built volumes, for 50 microns, it is 96 x 54 x 76 mm. For 62 microns, it's 119 x 67 x 76 mm. The printed body is about 260 x 385 x 370 mm. Weighs about 19.3 kg. It uses DLP micrometer projection with an auto-calibrating UV LED, which is 385 nanometer standard, and includes Asiga's smart positioning system for active layer monitoring. It also supports chamber heating to warm resins and reduce viscosity. Transparency mode, targeting clear resins, and UltraGLOSS, capability for glossy surfaces without extra polishing. Max Crown Kit Build Tray and Max Crown Kit Set, specialized for crown, veneer, inlay workflows, so we can more efficiently nest crown geometries. Asiga has also introduced a new resin cartridge system, print pots. They're small, self-contained resin cartridges or capsules designed to turn a 3D printer into a more chairside-friendly system. If your clinic leans towards fast, simplified chairside printing, print pots may be something to look at. So, how does the MAX 2 stand apart from the original Asiga MAX, especially from a user perspective? Mechanically and optically, many of the core technologies remain similar. Same DLP backbone, similar build spaces for equivalent models. But the user experience is significantly enhanced. The UI is more intuitive, larger, higher contrast display, smoother menus, and more guidance during setup. Faster and more seamless resin tray changes. Asiga advertises simplified material changeover and quicker workflows. Additional integrated capabilities like transparent mode and UltraGLOSS are stronger in this version, making clear resins and glossy surfaces more viewable straight out of the printer. Also, though the core footprint remains compact so as not to lose the space advantage, the upgrades in user ergonomics, control, and finishing modes make the MAX 2 feel more modern, polished, and future-ready. And here you go! Asiga MAX 2, compact but upgraded with smarter controls, a refined evolution of the MAX built for today's digital dentistry. If you find this useful, hit like, subscribe to EviSmart Dental if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next unboxing or digital dentistry insights videos. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!